welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress gears up to face polls without any alliance tries for Jose and Nilkanth. Both show reluctance to join Congress. Decks cleared for Vijays' induction in the Congress party. Congress hesitant about St Cruz ticket to Babush. Izidor almost out of race. Porvorim Block Congress Committee demands ticket for a local. Narvekar opposes Deshprabhus' proposal. Nine government departments may face acting for violating code of conduct. 296 Goans identified as Portuguese nationals. Sports Authority of India Girls Hostel calls for selection trials, free facilities for residential and non-residential sports training. Now the news in detail. Congress Party Screening Committee meeting scheduled on Saturday night was postponed by Oscar Fernandez. Sources claim that the Congress is trying to induct both NCP MLAs with an intention to face polls without any alliance. But Jose D'Souza and Nilkanth are not ready to accept the proposal at this juncture.
The scheduled meeting of the Congress Screening Committee will shortlist their candidates and deliberate on the coalition with the NCP. Some of the party bigwigs are already camping in Delhi from Friday evening. These bigwigs are either lobbying for themselves or for their candidates. Chief Minister and GPCC President along with Babush Montserrat, Walanka Alemao, Vijays and other Congress leaders are in the national capital. Sources also claim that Youth Congress has persuaded their leader Rahul Gandhi to allot them 2 tickets. Similarly, some leaders have proposed to the central leadership that there is no need of a pre-poll alliance with the NCP if both their MLAs are inducted into the Congress. But Nilkanth and Jose D'Souza are not for this proposal. Nilkanth confirmed this to Prudent on phone.
Already the manifesto with I am with the NCP 100%. There is no doubt. Already constituency in
Okay. On the other side, Jose D'Souza has also said that he doesn't want to go to the Congress. Jose also said that if there is no pre-poll alliance with the Congress, then their party is free to create new political equations with other parties. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Vijays' Congress entry is almost confirmed. Sources have claimed that Congress High Command has cleared the decks for Vijays' Congress entry. Meanwhile, Congress is hesitant about allotting St Cruz ticket to Babush Montserrat.
BJP legislator Vijays is back from Delhi after getting clearance for his induction in the Congress party. Sources claim that Vijays' Congress entry is confirmed. Vijay has been elected twice from Kankorn, while another contender, Izidor Fernandez, has lost last 2 assembly elections. Sources say that Congress has assured him Kankorn ticket. On the other side, possibilities of Santa Cruz ticket for Babush looks bleak. Taligaon MLA Babush Montserrat wants to contest assembly election from Santa Cruz. During last assembly election in 2007, Babush Montserrat's wife Jennifer Montserrat was denied Santa Cruz ticket. As a result, Babush had revolted by quitting the Congress party at the last moment and joining the UGDP. Sources say that Babush may take a drastic step if the ticket allotment goes against his wish. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Aldona MLA Narvekar has said that the Porvorim Block Congress is not in support of Deshprabhus as their candidate. Narvekar also confirmed that 2 tentative candidates have been finalized from Porvorim. Porvorim Congress Block held its meeting at GCA premises on Saturday.
Porvorim Block Congress Committee meeting was held at GCA premises on Saturday. Meeting was chaired by Aldona MLA Narvekar. Narvekar spoke to Prudent Media after the meeting. Narvekar has said that 2 tentative candidates for Porvorim are finalized.
Porvorim block असा वो नवीन ब्लॉक असल्या कारणान पोरवरीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक तेंचे कितें विचार असले तेंच्यानी आयकल्या कोणे कोणे फॉर्म भरले तर तांकां एक डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय आसलें की कितें करचें काय म्हणून तेच्या बद्दल मिटींग आसली तेंच्यांनी आपले आपले व्ह्यूज एक्सप्रेस केले. तेंचे व्ह्यूज वयल्या लोकां कडेन पावपाचें म्हजें काम आसा. तेंच्यांनी फायनली सांगलां की तूं कॅन्डिडेट घालता ते आमी एक्सेप्ट करतले म्हणून. सो म्हाजेर पेज घातला हेंच्यांनी. ना अजून काय ना, तेन्ना अजून सुरवात जाता थंय आहा न्हू, त्यामुळे जेन्ना एक्चुअल टायम येतलो तेन्ना हांव सांगतलो. म्हाका विचारलें जाल्यार.
Narvekar informed that High Command has instructed him to support Jitendra Deshprabhu's candidature from Porvorim. Narvekar said that Porvorim Congress Block Committee has opposed such a stand of contesting Deshprabhu from this constituency.
Now fortunately this time I got my house in Aldona. I am voter of Aldona, and 2 wards of Mapsa which are close to my house are already in Aldona. So my decision goes back to say that okay, I will be contesting from Aldona. But here the local sentiments are very strong. They have come together. They want a candidate from Porvorim only. Am I right? That is what the decision has come. So whoever is a candidate, he should be resident of Porvorim. And some of them criticize some other people trying to come and distribute some goodies. I got a report from Delhi saying that he is joining Congress and he is asking for Porvorim seat. I said no. There are Congress workers here and there is no question of giving this seat to any outsider. That is what is my statement.
He said Block Committee is firm on the decision that Congress ticket should be given to a Porvarkar. Jitendra Deshprabhu was loaned out to the NCP by the Congress for Lok Sabha election. Deshprabhu has still not joined back the Congress party. Congress High Command had summoned Deshprabhu to Delhi. Our reporter Basuri Desai in Porvorim with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.